The workday ended, but the journey didn't. Growth doesn't always look dramatic. Sometimes it looks like cooking dinner. I didn't wake up motivated. I woke up committed. Every morning, I dressed like the future I was building.
The day started with responsibility.
When branches went slow, the learning became real.
We traced the issue, escalated providers, and fixed what we could.
Some moments at work aren't about solving problems. They're about remembering you're human.
Somewhere between meetings and deadlines, I started to feel like I belonged.
But belonging didn't mean the work stopped. By the end of the day, every report felt like proof that I was learning. I didn't feel like an outsider anymore, just someone still becoming.
By the time work ended, I was tired. Not the kind of tired sleep fixes, the kind that sits in your head.
The next day, I showed up again. But something felt heavier. Every morning started the same way, checking mails, closing overnight logs, and if something was escalated, I followed it through. That part mattered.
Then my manager called me in. He said the issue couldn't be fixed remotely. We were going on site.
We checked cables, ports, link lights. This was different from the office. This was where the network actually lived.
On the way back, no one made it a big deal. We talked through what we saw, what went wrong, and what to watch next time. It isn't so complicated, just something you had to see in person.
The calls didn't stop just because we left the rack center. I listened first, asked the right questions, and traced the issue step by step. The issue wasn't the user, it was the switch. I checked the configuration, verified the VLAN, and made the change. When the user confirmed it was working, I didn't celebrate, I documented it. That was when it hit me. I wasn't just learning anymore, I was doing the work. At some point, fixing issues isn't enough. You have to sit at the table and talk about preventing them. We talked about latency, packet loss, redundancy, and what could actually be improved. It wasn't about blame, it was about improvement. We agreed on next steps, timelines, and what needed to change.
Once the meeting ended, the conversations continued. The providers committed to improvements, better monitoring.
After the meeting, the work continued. I documented everything. By the end of the day, I closed my reports and logged out. Work mattered. But so did taking care of myself. This was how I reset. After the calls, after the mails, after the decisions. One step at a time. This is my life now. Not where I started, but what I am becoming.